Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to troubleshoot and resolve error 0x8024001E on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error 0x8024001E error, then I will show you how to fix this. In this, first of all, you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings. Here you type troubleshoot. You will find a troubleshoot setting, click on that. In this you will find other troubleshooters, click on that. In this you can see here Windows update, you have to just click on run and it will find if there is any problem with this and it will fixes the issues automatically. After completion of this, just close this window, open the CMD, click on search menu, then type here CMD, then run as administrator, click on yes. Here you will type sfc /scan now, then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix or you can troubleshoot and resolve error 0x8024001E on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.